If you want to be a leader, if you want to be a team builder, if you want to actually go far in building your team, just making money generally or being successful generally, you must learn to read. I think the major problem in Africa is that most people don't read. It's something. This is intelligent investor. This is cash flow quadrant, and maybe for your spiritual growth, divine encounter with the Holy Spirit. Now, these are the type of books that people over there read. But you see that in Nigeria, people get to read books like how to travel to Canada with 20,000 naira in your account, or how to live in a compound without paying rent, or how to sell and make #1,000,000 in a month without having any customer, without having to talk to any customer. These things are crazy. These are the type of easy life mentality that a lot of people impact in us, and we just think that life is that easy. It is not easy. If you want to lead, you must read. If you want to be successful, you must read. You learn from those who have been there. There's a difference between motivation and inspiration. Motivation comes from speech or from words. Meanwhile, inspiration comes from experience. Okay, so try to be inspired, not motivated. It's a two different thing. Don't get me wrong. So, guys, if you find value in what you just watched, please make sure to hit the subscription button.